Have you ever been stuck in a long line at Canyons Village or worse, had the lift shut down because of wind? That is about to change. I'm Nicole, your Park City real estate expert, and today I'm giving you the inside scoop on the brand new Sunrise Gondola going in right here at Canyons Village, right next to the Pen Tree. This new gondola is replacing the old Sunrise chair. Instead of that slow two-seater, you'll have a sleek 10-person gondola that stretches more than 6,500 feet straight up to the Red Pine Lodge. It officially opens November 21st, 2025, which means we're about 2 months out from ski season. Here's why it matters. First, it cuts down on wait times and adds a third major access point out of the canyon space. That means less bottleneck, more skiing. Second, it's designed to handle wind better than the old chair, so fewer frustrating closures. And third, for anyone staying or owning at the Pen Tree or nearby properties, this is an instant lift adjacent access. That's a game changer. For real estate, this is huge. Properties closest to the gondola access always see a premium. Buyers want convenience, renters pay more for it, and resale values climb. If you own or are thinking about buying in Canyons Village, this gondola should be on your radar. So what do you think? Are you excited to ride the new Sunrise Gondola? Drop me a comment down below and let me know. And if you're curious about how this upgrade impacts your property value, or if you want to find a condo steps away from this new lift, reach out because I'd love to help you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you're the first to know what's happening in Park City real estate. See you on the mountain.